If you're looking for the best CRM software to help you organize leads, automate follow-ups, and close more deals, you're in the right place. In this video, I'll break down 5 of the best CRMs available, both free and paid, that are designed to help you streamline your workflow, manage your pipeline, and grow your business faster. Make sure to stick around, because I'll also share the standout features, who each CRM is best for, and a few insider tips you won't want to miss. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly which CRM fits your business, how to avoid costly mistakes, and which features matter in the real world. Links to explore or sign up for free trials are in the description below. And if you find this helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more tools that grow your business. Number 1. GoHighLevel CRM. GoHighLevel CRM is not just a contact management tool. It's a complete client acquisition and retention system built specifically for marketing agencies and service-based businesses. It's the CRM software I use to manage my agency and provide services to local businesses. The platform combines multiple tools: CRM, email marketing, funnel builder, calendar booking, reputation management, text messaging, and even AI automation into one centralized system. With GoHighLevel, you can track leads through customizable pipelines, book appointments, send automated emails and texts, and even build complete sales funnels or websites using their built-in funnel AI feature. It also comes with a smart AI employee that can handle conversations, respond to leads, and save you hours of manual work. If you're running an agency, the white label option lets you rebrand the platform and resell it as your own CRM. For small business owners, it provides tools that help market, acquire, and manage customers on autopilot. Pricing starts at $97 a month. This plan is for small business owners and agencies with a maximum of 2 clients. However, most agencies prefer the $297 a month plan for unlimited sub-accounts, white labeling, and advanced automation capabilities. It's a powerful choice for anyone serious about scaling their business without relying on disconnected tools. The link to sign up for a 30-day extended free trial with a setup guide is in the description. Pros: all-in-one sales, marketing, and automation platform. AI workflow automation and funnel creation. White label SaaS option for agencies. Unlimited sub-accounts on higher plans. Strong community support. Cons: slightly overwhelming for complete beginners. No free forever plan, only free trial. Number 2. HubSpot CRM. HubSpot CRM is one of the most popular CRM systems out there, and for good reason. It's designed to help businesses of all sizes manage their contacts, track leads, and automate marketing and sales processes without getting overwhelmed. What makes HubSpot stand out is its clean interface, robust free plan, and seamless integration with tools you probably already use. With HubSpot, you get access to a drag-and-drop pipeline, customizable dashboards, email tracking, meeting scheduling, and marketing automation, all in one place. Their free CRM plan is generous and ideal for small teams, and it's often referred to as the best free CRM for small businesses. At the same time, their paid sales and marketing hubs unlock deeper features like advanced automation, custom reporting, A/B testing, and predictive lead scoring. Pros: excellent free plan for small teams. Smooth UI and easy learning curve. Powerful marketing tools and analytics. Reliable integrations with hundreds of apps. Great for inbound marketing strategies. Cons: paid tiers can get expensive. Limited advanced automation in the free plan. The platform is scalable, starting from $0 a month and growing with your business through their starter, professional, and enterprise tiers. If you're just getting started with CRM software or want something that can grow with your business, HubSpot is a solid, reliable option. Number 3. Monday CRM. Monday CRM is built on top of Monday.com's powerful work management platform, giving you a visually engaging and fully customizable CRM tool. It's designed for teams that want flexibility. Whether you're managing sales pipelines, onboarding clients, or running marketing campaigns, Monday CRM adapts to how you work. You can build your workflows with automation rules, create custom dashboards, assign tasks, and even integrate with popular tools like Gmail, Slack, and Zoom. The drag-and-drop interface is beginner-friendly, yet powerful enough to manage complex sales cycles and deal stages. Pros: highly visual and customizable. Project plus CRM management in one tool. Great automation templates. Easy for collaboration across teams. Affordable entry-level plans. Cons: can feel more like a project tool than a dedicated CRM. Automation limits on lower plans. Monday CRM offers a free plan, and paid plans start at around $12 per user month, making it accessible for startups and growing teams alike. If you're looking for a CRM system that combines visual project management with deep sales tracking, Monday CRM is worth exploring. Number 4. Salespype. Salespype is an all-in-one CRM software designed to help small businesses and solo marketers automate their lead generation, follow-ups, and sales pipeline, all without overwhelming complexity. It's especially ideal for users who want powerful automation tools without the steep learning curve of more advanced platforms. With Salespype, you can build landing pages, send email and text campaigns, manage your contacts, and set up automated follow-up sequences using visual workflows. It also includes appointment scheduling, call tracking, and even built-in voicemail drops, all under one roof. Pros: multi-channel communication in one place. Strong outreach automation features. Great for outbound sales teams. Lead tracking with engagement scoring. Competitive pricing. Cons: not as feature-rich in marketing automation compared to GoHighLevel. Limited integrations compared to bigger players. Pricing starts at $99 a month for small teams and individual professionals. If you're looking for a simple yet powerful CRM to streamline your sales and marketing without breaking the bank, Salespype is a strong contender. Number 5. Zoho CRM. Zoho CRM is one of the most established and versatile CRM systems available, trusted by businesses of all sizes, from startups to enterprises. It offers a wide range of features, including lead and contact management, sales automation, marketing campaigns, multi-channel communication, and advanced analytics. One standout aspect of Zoho CRM is its flexibility. You can customize everything, from pipelines and dashboards to workflows and integrations, making it ideal for businesses with unique processes. It also supports AI-powered sales insights through its built-in assistant, Zia, to help you predict deals, suggest actions, and automate repetitive tasks. Zoho CRM offers a free plan for up to 3 users, which is great for very small teams. Pros: affordable pricing with powerful features. AI-driven insights and scoring highly customizable workflows. Strong reporting tools. Works well for both small and mid-sized businesses. Cons: interface isn't as modern as some competitors. Setup can be a bit complex for beginners. Paid plans start at $14 user month, scaling up with features like advanced automation, scoring rules, and in-depth reporting. It's a perfect choice for businesses that want a balance of affordability, scalability, and customization. To wrap up, here are my insider tips. The best CRM isn't always the one with the most features. It's the one that fits your workflow like a glove. Personally, I use GoHighLevel CRM to run my agency, and it's been a game changer. It allows me to automate client management, streamline marketing campaigns, and deliver top-notch services without juggling multiple tools. In my opinion, it's hands down the best CRM for freelancers, service businesses, and digital marketing agencies. However, before you pick your CRM, here's what I tell all my clients. Test the free trial first. The best CRM software is the one that fits your workflow, not just your budget. Don't overpay early. Start small and scale your plan as your business grows. Plan for integrations. Switching later is costly, so ensure your CRM works with your essential tools from the start. Automate from day one. Let your CRM handle the repetitive work so you can focus on growth. Keep it clean. Regularly update and remove bad data to keep your CRM reliable. If you found this breakdown helpful, hit that like button, subscribe for more CRM software insights, and drop a comment telling me which CRM you're using or planning to try.